Hi everyone, and welcome to my Google Classroom. So first, I would like to show you my teaching philosophy. So if you click on this, you can find my overall teaching philosophy. I made a little presentation about it. And in addition to that, I also have my philosophy of teaching mathematics. So in addition to this, I wanted to show my students that I was a Google certified educator. So I have my certificate here. And if you scroll up or you can go into classwork, you will find that I did post some assignments and material. So the first one I'd like to talk about is my triangle dice game. So I have for this game, in each box, solve for the area of the triangle. In order to get the values for the base and height, roll the dice and then calculate the answer. So you can click on this, it'll pop up my Google Slides with the directions and the triangles without the dimensions. And if you want to look at the dice roller link, you can click on that as well. So this activity goes through on the Mathematical Standards 6G1 and the ISTE standard, Empowered Learner. In addition to this, I also have two other assignments, one about the Pythagorean theorem. And so for this, it is with my Bitmoji classroom, and you follow along, so we can click on that. We have a hyperdoc that explains the standards and the directions, and we also have some different links throughout my Bitmoji classroom as well. These follow along with the Mathematical Standards 6G7 and ISTE standard Knowledge Constructor. We also have another assignment called Fraction Practice. So for this one, we click on this, we watch the video, and then we also have this form to fill out as well. So I have the instructions are click on the link below and answer the questions as you watch the video. Once you've completed this activity, answer the questions on the form provided. And in addition to this, this is the mathematical standard NF2, compare two fractions with different numerators and different denominators, etc., and the ISTE standard Knowledge Constructor and Creative Communicator. So that is all for my Bitmoji classroom. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye-bye.